¿Qué tal amigas y amigos coleccionistas? Bienvenidos a otro video aquí en el canal. Welcome everyone to another video here in the channel. And today something more chilled out. We have a variety here of things that we want to unbox. And we're gonna unbox this one first. This is a special one that I've been keeping for a while. You guys can see a few things there. And this is an old model of the Disney Pixar cars. This was from a few years ago, like 3 years ago, where they used to announce on the card, they would say that it's a treasure hunt. So it has a little una lupa and a magnifying glass. There you go. And yeah, so you can see there it says on the card, is a special metallic edition, edición especial metálica, edición speciale metallique. Está bien bonito. Está este cochecito, este Ramón Ramírez, como dice ahí, Metallic Union Jack Ramone. And this is from Great Britain. Very cool, and it has a little gun there. So let's crack it open and check it out. But before that, let's see the back of the card. Ahí pueden ver, you can see there the other treasure hunts that they had that year, or in that set, or in that series. You got the Dinoco car, number 42, and you got number 123, which one was a new gen car. No stall. Red, very cool. I don't think I got those, but I did pick up this one. And I found it twice. So lucky me, I have another one stashed back there in the bin. And let's check this Union Jack Ramon Ramirez. Very beautiful metallic blue and red. As you know, Ramon Ramirez in the movie, he has different paint jobs all the time. As you can tell in this casting, the metal is super bright, super shiny. It's gonna leave marks if I leave my fingerprints, but it is in a beautiful metallic color. These were not out with the rubber wheels. There are vehicles of the Disney Pixar cars with rubber wheels. These did not come with rubber wheels, as far as I know. So don't take my word for it, but this one is very cool. You got the Great Britain flag on top, and a very beautiful paint job on the trunk. It accentuates the wing type tips that it has in the rear. You got the rear lights nicely painted there, and as you can see you can tell on the back of the car, you also have a little bit of blue painted there, where it gives the triangle shape of the flag of Great Britain. So it's like a cross and then like an X over the cross. So it's like, all these lines connecting. So on the back, it kind of looks like that. It's very cool detail. And on the side of the car, you got some headlights there in the back. So those are there. The blinkers, I'm sorry. Blinkers. You got his mustache, very cool. His eyelids are blue. And you can tell it has a metallic trim on the windows. That is another awesome touch. Like, I love that. Eso me encanta de lo cromeado que le pusieron a las ventanas. Y las ventanas están humeadas. They're foggy windows. Very cool. I love the wheels. They can never do wrong on the wheels for Ramon. Very awesome. On the hood, you got like 3 little spikes of red going from the front to his his eyes. So the back of the hood, very cool. There is the little gun that he uses because, of course, his character is Cheech Marin, voiced by Cheech Marin, and he's the painter. You know, he paints cars. Of course, he's like a lowrider, inspired by an Impala, inspired by also Cheech Marin's movie, that movie with his friend Chong, you know, Tommy Chong. So very cool. There it is. So love this vehicle, love this character, can't get enough of him. So this is one of those that I collect a lot. You're gonna see a lot of you can go back into the channel and see a lot of videos of him. You know what, just because I haven't done a playlist, I'm gonna leave a playlist right up there. I'm gonna create one right now of all the cars that I have of him, because he's a recurring character in the channel, and he's gonna come out more often than you think. So yeah, so thank you guys for tuning in. Good luck in the hunt. Muchas gracias por entonar en el video y mucha suerte en la cacería. Si lo quieren dejar en los comentarios, ¿cuál quieren que sea el que sigue que abre? ¿Cuál quieren que abre? El Monopoly, Joker, the Masters of the Universe, Fast and the Furious, Thundercats, Onward with the Van, Spider-Man. These are all premiums, of course. So you got Stranger Things. Oh, I want to open that one up. The Hooper's Chief or Chevy Blazer from Stranger Things. So on over here we got this one. I will not open. This is my wife's, but it was really cool to have it here as a placeholder, you know, as decoration. So muchas gracias por entrarte en el video. Nos vemos en la próxima. Hasta luego. Bye. Mucha suerte. Bye.